Sweat solder paste dispensers play an important role in electronics manufacturing. The integrity of its seals is crucial for ensuring the quality and dispensing accuracy of sweat paste. The main reasons for seal damage include 1. Wear and tear. Prolonged use leads to natural wear and tear of the seals, especially in frequent operations and high-load working environments. 2. Aging. The material gradually ages over time. Especially in high temperatures or light conditions, it can accelerate the aging process of materials such as rubber. 3. Chemical attack. Sweat solder paste contains chemical ingredients. Prolonged exposure can erode the seal, leading to a decrease in its performance. 4. Improper operation. Physical damage to the seal can be caused by insufficient force during installation or removal, or by using unsuitable tools. 5. Design flaws. If the seal is not properly designed, such as the right size or not being chosen as a large material, it can also lead to premature failure. 5. Understand the causes of these damages. Helps to take preventive measures. Extend the service life of sweat solder paste top adhesive and seals.